Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Thanks so much for joining me on this gentle yoga class. This is a perfect practice when you want to just take the time to balance your body and your mind and really enter that kind of therapeutic healing space. So let's get started. Close your eyes, bring your hands together, a nice long deep breath in. As you exhale, let's rest the hands down. Take a moment to tune into your breath, your body, your mind, and set the intention for the body to heal, the mind to be clear, and the heart to open. A long deep breath in. As you exhale, let's open the eyes. We're going to start off with a very gentle twist. Inhale as you lift up along the center line of the body, and exhale, let's just twist lightly over to the right side, and we'll hold this for about 5 breaths. So we have 1. The navel is in, and just feel the body gently moving. 2, 3, stay with it. 4, that's good. And 5, inhale, we come back to the center. We're gonna go on over to the other side. So give me a big breath in. And then as you exhale, that's just easy. Get that twist happening over to the other side for 1, 2, very good. Keep breathing. 3, 4, we're almost there. 5, inhale, we come back to the center, shake it out for a moment. Let's head on over into the hands and knees. And as soon as you get onto your hands and knees, I want you to place your hands shoulder width apart, the knees hips width apart, and just kind of feel a gentle rocking motion through your hands, your knees, your whole body. You're kind of moving from side to side and rolling through the joints. Very good. Okay, do one more, kind of roll from side to side. Nice. And now we're going to move into puppy pose. I want you to walk your hands back, walk the feet back, and walk the hands forward. All right, I like to place my thumbnails really pressed into each other. I'm going to externally rotate the shoulders, and then exhale, drop the forehead towards the mat, and we'll stay for 5 breaths. 1, draw the navel in. 2, 3, keep it easy. 4, you could give your hips a little motion, that's nice. And 5, let's lift the head up and exhale. We're going to lie on the stomach. Place the elbows a little forward for that nice cobra pose, and we'll just breathe here for a couple breaths. We have 1. You can activate your legs a little bit and give your glutes a little note to relax. 2, lifting the center of the chest a little higher. 3, lifting up out through the top of the head. 4, almost there. 5, let's relax a little bit. Walk your hands back. I want you to curl your toes under. Come on back to our tabletop position. Now we're going to come all the way up to downward facing dog. You're going to curl the toes. Inhale, let's send those hips back and up. And we've got downward facing dog. So let's just hang out here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, deep breathing. 3, nice, good work. 4, let your downward dog express itself in alignment and with whatever adaptations or variations work for you. Now we've got 5. It's a good job. We're going to walk the feet half the distance in. I want you to take a soft bend in your knees. You're going to kind of layer your arms over each other. And we're going to do a hanging forward fold. As you're here, whatever energy that's not yours, I want you to let it kind of roll off the body like water rolls down a smooth surface like a waterfall. And just feel any energy that's not yours, anything you may have collected or picked up from somebody else, just let it kind of melt into the earth underneath you. Let it go. Let it drop away. Good. All right, come back to yourself. Bend the knees. Do it again. The hips move back and up. You're just going to really let your whole body balance and harmonize with your own energy, your own vibration. Anything that's not immediately serving you or connected with you, you're just going to let it go. So one more breath. Nice. All right, let's bend the knees. We're going to peel the heels off the ground and then exhale. We're going to come all the way down. Extend the legs forward. We're going to continue the motion of a gentle twist. I want you to bend that right knee up. You're going to cross it over, stabilizing, rooting the left heel on the ground, hooking the forearm, planting your sitting bones firmly down. Let's inhale, lift the center of the chest, and exhale, a nice, easy twist. All right? What I mean by easy is your attitude. So you may be feeling an intense stretch, but I want you to keep your attitude light and easy. So we breathe deeply for 1, 2, doing well, that's it. 3, don't give up, don't get frustrated, just observe how your body feels today. 4, let's do one more breath. 5, good job. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, straighten the leg, and do the other side. Bend the left leg, cross it over, and rehook. Good, make sure the sitting bones are planted, the navel is in, the spine lifts up out of the pelvis, and we exhale and twist. Good. Press a little with your left heel into the ground, and just feel your pelvis kind of stabilizing. We'll stay for 5. 1, 2, wherever the body is in need of healing, see if you can be open to and receive that healing. So if there's a yes for healing, then just let the body kind of tune into the vibration that is most healing. It could be the vibration of the earth. We'll stay for 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. Good job. Inhale, we'll come on into the center and exhale here. Gonna walk your feet a little bit forward. Scoot the hips forward and exhale. Let's come on down. And as you curl the spine down, we're now in constructive rest. Your sacrum is on the ground and your thigh bones spiral in. We'll rest here with deep breaths for 5 breaths. 1, long deep breath in. Feel your connection to the ground underneath you. Long deep breath out. Let everything go. Feel the shoulders relaxing. Again, long deep breath in. Long deep breath out. Let everything go so you can just feel your breath, your body, your mind. Everything harmonizes and balances. Again, long deep breath in. Long deep breath out. 2 more. Big relax. Let a big wave of relaxation move through the body, and it releases as you exhale. 1 more big breath in. And a big breath out. Nice. We'll draw the knees gently into the chest and give yourself a little squeeze. Separate the knees and we'll move into happy baby pose. You can reach the feet up. You could hold onto your calf muscles. You could hold onto your knees. Or you could hold onto the ankles or maybe even the feet. Let's just stay here for 5 breaths. Let your hips relax. Let the body relax. Let everything feel like it comes back into the center line. Anything you're ready to just release into the earth, do that now. Any tension, any old thoughts. Feel your energy coming back to yourself. Feel the energy balancing, harmonizing, and moving into deep coherence. We'll be here for just 2 more breaths. So lengthen and deepen the breath. Good, let's do 1 more. A big breath in. And a big breath out. Good, let's open the eyes. Spiral the feet back down to constructive rest. Separate the knees, extend, extend. Give yourself a little wiggle. And let's take rest. Breathe. Freely, openly, and again feel the body moving into that vibration of healing. the mind opening, clearing, tuning into wisdom, the heart also opening, releasing, tuning into compassion, so that breath, body, and mind harmonize. Feeling that sense of harmony, let's slowly reawaken. Give yourself a little wiggle, maybe a little stretch. And as you exhale, let's bend the knees all the way up into the chest. Give yourself a big hug. As you exhale, we'll roll over onto the side. And inhale, we'll come on back up to a comfortable seated position. Take a moment. Again, connect into that healing vibration within. Feel your energy, your unique energy signature, kind of reestablishing itself as you come back to yourself, back to your center. Hands come together. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love today and every day. Namaste.